Okay, let's do another sample problem here. Now in this case, what we're trying to do is we're going to find the index of refraction for an unknown substance. This will be very similar to the virtual lab that you will do. So in our scenario here, the light is coming in at an angle of 20 degrees. It hits the surface of whatever substance it is and causes it to bend at an angle to the normal of 15 degrees. So if we look at it here and we write down what we know, N1, which is air, is 1.00. Theta 1 would be 20 degrees. N2 is what we're going to try to find out. And theta 2 is 15 degrees. And so using Snell's law, N1 sine of theta 1 equals N2 sine of theta 2. We then would plug this in. So we have 1.00 times the sine of 20 degrees would equal N2 times the sine of 15 degrees. Okay. Now, solving for N2, we would get 1.00 times the sine of 20 degrees divided by the sine of 15 degrees. Okay, so now if let me make sure we can see that. Okay, now if I get out the calculator on here, basically, you take sine of 20 degrees divided by the sine of 15 degrees, and we get an answer N2 equals 1.32. Now that doesn't mean anything to us unless we go to a chart here. And so if I pull up this chart, you can see here the index of refraction around 1.32. And so based on this, we would say that it's either water or ice, depending on what we're working with. Okay, so that's the end of this lesson of finding out the index of refraction for an unknown substance.